Hi, I'm Anya Burke. I'm an artist producer and I've been commissioned by the City of London Corporation Recycling Team and Cheapside Business Alliance to produce a tree with a difference for the terrace of the Mansion House. Today we're in Walbrook Wharf, the City of London Corporation, and this is a pop-up studio where the tree is being produced. This tree is symbolic of the tree we're all used to, but this time we're making the tree of waste. Just again to remind us of the frenzy of buying that happens this time of year. The tree is being replaced by all the waste that we create during the year, during our lives. And at this time of the year in particular, during the festive season, all the buying, the packaging, the wrapping, the tree going out onto the pavement, whether you're using a plastic one or a real one, all the lights, etc. It's all festive, but the festivity creates a huge amount of waste. Well, as we know, COP26 is on at the moment, and it's a perfect time to make the tree because all the materials that are in the tree are from resources in the planet. All the activity to make those resources has created climate change. And COP26, to me, so far, hasn't really addressed the mountains and mountains of waste that we're creating. I think we're treating the result of climate change rather than the cause. This time of the year is time for shopping. And it's a time for giving. So we shop, 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 shop. We buy clothes, we buy electronics, we buy extra food, we buy extra drink, and we decorate our houses. But all of that material ends up in the bins. And again, it's creating more waste this time of the year. We'd also like to thank Powerday for documenting the process and the build of the tree. They provided plasterboard, which is a very toxic material if it goes to landfill. So they diverted away from landfill, and they also supplied RDF material, which is construction waste material that's left at the end of any waste that's taken away from a construction plant. Powerday also supplied the health and safety certificate for the materials that we're using in the tree, which is really important in terms of the public being aware that care is being taken by this company. Now that you've heard all about the tree and why we're doing it, it's time to get to work. Okay, the tree's up. Circles of waste are there for everyone to see. The lights will go on tomorrow by the City Lord Mayor, and I hope you all have a wonderful festive season.
Hello there, Alderman Vincent Keaveney, the 693rd Lord Mayor of the City of London, here on the portico of Mansion House. We've just lit up this fantastic sustainable tree, sending a message about sustainability at Christmas to London. I know Powerday has been involved in the construction of this tree. Thank you very much, all at Powerday, along with the City of London Corporation, the Cheapside Business Alliance, for making this happen. So wishing you all a very happy and sustainable Christmas.